So till now, what we have done in the last call, in the last call we have done with the generate bill functionality. We are able to generate the bill, capture the um, basically the product and the okay. So now and give the particular discount and this discount will bill 100%. Because if you want to do the buy one get one, then that should be also. This not connected. Let's try to connect it. So buy one get one, I will be able to like buy three get one, buy two get two. So boom, you can give the 100% discount and can keep as it. This is the feature. That's why I created it that this way. So that will be more user friendly. And I'm generating the bill. If just need to put the number 97532. And if the database is already have that particular information, then that will capture the order. Basically, if you could put the number, the name and location will be auto. That's what the feature is, and it's working. So now if I generate the print and yeah, bill is downloaded. So I'll go to the file and this is the last print. Logo is available on top. Bill contents are generated, but right now the shop details are not mentioned here. The shop name, shop address, so that we need to capture somewhere. So that is the one more thing here we need to update. So this is one task we need to work on, the billing thing. And secondary, import shop logo. Here we are only capturing the shop logo. So what I'm thinking to replace that header with the shop information so that we can capture the shop logo along with the shop name, address, which we can pull from here and put on like other area. So if there is any print which we are generating, so we can put there. If there is something which you required for filling screen and like header or footer, that kind of thing also, so that we can capture here. So for that one, I think we'll try to first develop this as a shop information, and inside of that we'll put all these required things which are required for generate bill, and if there is any document which you required as a template, that also we'll try to capture here. But right now we'll start with the step by step. We require that shop information basically to be captured, address and shop name. For that one we required some fields, line 1, line 2, line 3 address. So for that we'll capture that information in this particular area. First, we'll update the header like this particular section, and then inside of that, we'll create the multiple section. So this is the plan for today. So let's start. So as of now, the development is completed, and I think we are good. So let me try to show you that the shop details, all these things are updated. So basically, you can read the shop logo first, then shop name, line 1, line 2 address, shop phone number, then the email ID. So there are some terms and condition, and then the greeting. And you can save the information. What we are going to do, we are going to utilize this information in invoice or any kind of advertising, which will be there in the future. Right now, this information is only to capture the shop related thing so that we don't have to hard code anything anywhere. So that's the reason. So in case if I share this application with one of my friend and he wanted to use this thing for his own shop, you just need to change the logo, update the information, and yeah, it's ready for use. So that's the plan. But let me try to update the information, and I'll try to check if I can modify the invoice section. I'll give you the final version. Yeah. So let me tell you till now how much we have completed. So the reporting part, generate bill, is working as I expected now. Let me just try to open and create bill. Sure why it's lagging. And try to add some item. Seven. Okay, generate bill. I'll update my number. That will automatically capture. See, go to the file. Bill, current one. This you can see the content. Already updated some headers on top. Along with that, there is the contact detail, bill information, item added, quantity, price, and then the total price figures. Then how much the saving was and grand total. So terms and condition added, and along with that, the greetings. There is some. So here what I did. So whatever you wanted to update as a greeting, I can update in greeting section. Even the terms and condition, along with that, if there is other information you capture, you can capture here along with the logo. So all these things are customizable. So if I'm sharing this application with someone, they can use it. So that's the motive here. Should be versatile. Now, I this particular thing, there's some sample which I already capture here on the laptop. So you can see there are multiple product, and this one, this look like, and this particular. Now I added seven product, and some of those I given some discount, and it's showing in the bottom. Still this font and this one I need to work on, but apart from that, everything is look I think good for me. If there is something like GST, I'll add that here after this one, and then again one line, and then mention the GST after GST the cost. So that's the motive. And previously, like when I started working on this, I was this thing was not aligned, even not in the proper box. Things were going out of the page, and so slowly I started fixing things. Similarly, like this particular header was going left and right, even for this particular spacing for each section. So you need to give the prompts again and again so that things go in the right direction, and you get the proper out. So that's the thing. It's not the simple, but still you can manage it because there are after a lot of alteration I got this particular page. Now for me this is good. I wanted to add some like Facebook and other link like Facebook and Instagram link, but I don't have that right now for the template simple, but I'll definitely add that somewhere here. I'll try to create one column in shop. So line 2 address, line 3 address, shop in email. After that, I can just try to add the Instagram link and Facebook link. That will serve the purpose. So that's the thing. So till now, I think we are good. Now we need to work on the report. So in next call, I think we'll start working on the report. And meanwhile, if there is something which we feel, okay, we need to add this particular feature, we'll try to focus on that. But now the things are interconnected because if I'm generating bill, things are getting minus from the inventory. If I'm adding something in inventory, that particular thing is reflecting on this particular page. So things are customizable. Even the search box is also working. If I type 8, because there is no product with 8, so that's why it's not reflecting. So 7, there is a product with 7 number. So now we can search by the number. Even the this particular part is also working. I am able to fetch the data from deposit like the storage, like if I put the number, information is getting fetched. So that is also one more thing. But apart from that, I just wanted to fix this. Like there is one more glitch which I found yesterday. If I'm putting like a 6-digit, 7-digit number, it's not it's allowing that to update it. But for the future reference, should allow only 10 or 11 digit number. 10 basically the standard number, 11 along with the 0. So that's the plan, but let me try to find out how we can fix it, and I think that will be the next step. But currently, as a MVP, this product is working. Apart from the report, every single tab is working, and inventory, we are able to capture the inventory, backup and restore also, it's working properly. We are able to extract the data, import the data along with customer database. So everything is now in place. So once we done with the report, I think this particular, like all the six boxes are like functional. So that's the thing. So let's connect in the next call. We'll try to work on the report.